Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Google Pay, and more specifically, we're going to talk about and go through the steps on how to send somebody money through Google Pay. So first off, if you're not familiar with Google Pay, it is a really popular way to send money between friends, family, or maybe paying for service. I guess it would be a competitor to something like Venmo or Cash App, but it is run by Google, which is a well-known company here in the US. In fact, I believe they're worldwide. But here's the app. If you don't have the app already, check the video description below. I'll try to leave a link there, or you can simply go to the App Store or Google Play and just type in Google Pay. That's P-A-Y. I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. All right, so here I am in the app right now. And in order for you to send someone money through Google Pay, you will need to attach your debit card or your credit card. I already have mine attached right here. If you don't have that set up already, what you want to do is go ahead and click right down here where it says Payment Methods, and it'll bring you to this screen right here. Once you're there, go ahead and click on this blue button called Add Payment Method. I'll click there now. Once you're there, then you can go ahead and add in a credit card or a debit card. I'm not going to do that because I already have a credit card associated with my Google Pay. Also, what you can do is you can click Scan Card, and that'll give the app access to your camera, and then you can easily just scan whatever debit card or credit card you're going to be adding into your Google Pay. So let me go ahead and click back now. All right, once you've added in a payment method to your Google Pay, what you can do is go ahead and click on Home right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here on the home screen, you get this blue button right here, Send or Request. If you'd like to send money or ask for someone to send you money, you want to go ahead and click there. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, so once you're here, then you can go ahead and enter the name of someone who's already in your contacts, and it will automatically pop up. Or you can put in someone's email or phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that now. All right, I went ahead and entered that information in right now. And what you want to do next is go ahead and type in the amount that you would like to send or receive from that person. So I'm going to type that in now. All right, I went ahead and typed that in, and then you want to choose request or send. So on this video, we're sending money out. So I'm going to go ahead and click send now, and to this person right here. All right, next, this confirmation screen pops up confirming that I want to send this amount from this particular account. If you would like to change the card that you're going to be sending the payment through, click this blue button right here. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and now as you can see that we have an option to either add another debit card, use my debit card, but keep in mind you cannot use your credit card to send money, so you do have to use a debit card, which is already selected. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that there now. Let me go back to the payment screen. All right, so as long as everything looks good, what you want to do is go ahead and click confirm and send. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this pop-up happens. It's a security warning saying that you should only send money to the people that you trust, and any kind of fraudulent transactions may result in the loss of your money with no recourse. So once the money's gone, it's gone. So again, don't send money to strangers on the internet. Make sure that it's someone that you know, like family or friends. I'm going to go ahead and click send payment. You should do the same if you agree to that as well. All right, now I got this confirmation screen that that person in my contact list will now receive 50 cents that was sent to them through Google Pay. I'm going to go ahead and click done. All right, now that payment has been sent out and the money has been withdrawn from my debit card. And just keep in mind that Google Pay does send a confirmation email to the account that you have associated with your account confirming this transaction. Let me flip on over to that email, and that way you can see what it looks like. All right, so here's a copy of the email that I received confirming that I sent 50 cents out to that particular contact, and that person will receive an email as well confirming that they received 50 cents through Google Pay. So there you have it. That is how you send money through Google Pay. If you know an easier way to accomplish this, please leave us a comment, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you liked the video. If so, click thumbs up, and thanks for watching.